Yeah, Bullnipper. You say that name
so
out.
horrible.
We're all gonna die.
Just like mom and dad. Last words?
I want my mommy.
Sounds like a horrible roller coaster ride or something. Made of wood.
I don't wanna die.
There we go. There we go. Yay, delicious.
Oishi.
Yeah.
Yeah, you say oishi.
We'll wait for our recorder to be
Okay.
ready.
Thank you.
Okay. So what are we doing? What am I pressing? Just this
Oh,
thing?
it's on. It's on already. It's recording. So we're gonna
So we are taking a lemon shot
in Japan.
as Heather's going away ceremony.
Cheers. Oh, hey, I gotta open mine.
So this is to Heather.
Cheers.
To Heather.
To Heather. Woo! I'm scared. Yeah. Tastes great. Tastes like lemonade.
That's not as bad as the other stuff we had.
It's not too bad.
Thank you.
Okay.